best international phone plans in 2024. If you're planning to go on an international trip or vacation along with family or friends, then you should have the best smartphones as your travel partner, so you can at least contact and browse the web even when you're out of your country. There are various plans depending over your country and your requirements, like how long are you traveling, etc. These plans would provide you the best travel-related plans, which wouldn't even be busting on your budget. So here are a few top international phones, along with its plans, that would surely be the first choice for all the international travelers. T-Mobile Go 5G Plus plan. T-Mobile has recently shared its best plans that provide immense benefits to all travelers. You can subscribe to unlimited data for just $90 and get a Go 5G Plus plan to receive multiple benefits, such as 15 GB data while traveling to specific countries like Canada and Mexico. Enjoy Wi-Fi and SMS during any flight whenever the internet is available. Additionally, the best thing is that you can get free data in approximately 215 countries. The initial 5 GB data will be used at high speed, only if 5 GB support is available, and use high-speed data in almost 11 European countries too. Verizon. Verizon smartphones are available to use worldwide. Especially the latest versions are substantially the most outstanding phones for the travelers. Also, it provides an inexpensive offering that would allow the users to take on all the travel benefits. Additionally, its plan would be the best, as Verizon has promised the user to offer full international connectivity. This would allow you to use talk and text for almost free and receive 10 GB of high-speed data each month in several countries. Especially if you're a frequent traveler, then you should get subscribed to this unlimited plus $80 per month for one line and unlimited welcome, which is for $65 per month. Verizon is probably the best one to offer a family plans mix and match lines so that an individual can receive unlimited ultimate. However, the other users can avail the cheaper options. AT&T. AT&T has introduced multiple international pricing that's completely dependent upon the location of your trip. Multiple places such as Canada as well as Mexico are already included in several top AT&T plans. However, users can easily utilize the South American and Central American countries plans as well. You can get subscribed to AT&T's most expensive unlimited premium plan that offers the best benefits to all the travelers in just $85.99 per month.